Welcome back to Rob's workshop. Right, in the first episode when I started clearing out the garage to make the workshop, I mentioned that the floor was damp. So as you can see, there's damp patches in the background there. So I need to sort that out. I've bought a roll of damp-proof membrane, or Biscuit, and I've bought some OSB boards. Now I could have done a concrete slab, but I think the OSB boards are cheaper and easier, and it might just be a temporary solution for a year or two, but that's what I've come up with. So that's what I'm going to put down. So I've moved everything that was there into that half of the garage, the workshop, and some of it's outside in the garden as well. So I'll show you the boards that I've bought. So these are the OSB boards that I've bought. Now I bought them second hand off a reputable fencing company, and they've come from a building site. So on one side they've been painted and they have got the odd screw and nail hole in them, but since it's only going to be a floor, they're ideal and they were cheap. I think they cost me £12 a board, which is not bad. Because these are just standard OSB boards and not floorboards, there's no tongue and groove on them. So what I plan to do is put some number 20 biscuits in and a bit of glue just to hold the floor together. It's going to float, it's not going to be fixed down, so just hold the boards together. So all I did, I put the biscuit cutter in the router and I just went round the edge of every board. So hopefully that should be a good solution. No doubt someone will comment and say how to do it better, but everyone's got a better way of doing everything. So if you've got any comments, post them down below. I always read them all. Right, so I don't know whether you want to see me put a floor down or not, so I'll put it in time lapse, so I'll go quick. The first thing to do is to put the viscreen down, which I'm not looking forward to because I've got to try and put half of it down, put it up the walls, climb over it, and yeah, so it could be a nightmare, it could go easy, but hey ho, carry on watching and see what happens. Right, I'll put you on time lapse now. And some people have made comments about the music in my other videos, so I won't put any dodgy music on, I'll just let it be quiet. Right, so I've got the viscreen down, or the damp-proof membrane. I hope you all had a laugh at me trying to wrestle with that. But I'm thinking now, instead of a workshop, swimming pool? Nah, workshop. Right, let's get the boards in, start putting the floor down. Right, I'll put you back on time lapse because you don't want to watch me doing it in real time, do you? Right, so that's about half the floor down. Now I'm going to have to move everything down this end to do that end. So I don't think I'll film that, you've seen me lay enough. So because they're rough boards, there is slight little gaps along the joints. So I've got a bit of acrylic grab adhesive. So I'll just put a bit of that in the joints, smooth it out with a scraper. Now hopefully this is going to help seal the ends of the boards, and also I'll need to paint this floor, so this adhesive is also paintable, so happy days. Right, so I've got half the floor down, I've filled it, I've just tacked the damp-proof membrane just to the wall, because sometime in the future when I've got a bit more money I'm going to do the same with the walls or something similar, you know, damp-proof them, batten them out and put some OSB on them, but I haven't got the money for that at the minute, so I will leave this video here. So if you enjoyed it, hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, then please consider subscribing. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.